Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to remove iOS 26 beta and basically download or downgrade to iOS 18 without losing any data. This is going to be easy 2025 method, so stay tuned until the end of the video. The first thing you want to do right now is go to settings. We're just going to check a few things here. First things first, go to cellular and look for the one that says VPN. Should be around here somewhere, so it's not going to be here. You want to go on the search bar already. Right there, so save time, we don't really need to look for it, just search it up. So VPN and device management. Make sure nothing is connected to your end right there. Next up, once you have successfully checked that one, go to general, all the way on the lower part right there, go to the one that says transfer and reset iPhone. You want to reset the network settings all the way. Now once that's completed, go to notification or settings again, and then just behind notifications, you should see screen time. This one right here. Basically on contents and privacy, everything here is gonna be deselected or ignored. Okay? Once that's done, once that's satisfied, go to your Safari, go to this website called betaprofiles.dev. There's gonna be a lot of things here. For example, you're gonna have iOS 26 beta here, but we're looking for, of course, iOS 18.5. If you don't like this one, just go a little bit lower. And you're gonna see iOS 18 around here somewhere. Just go lower and you'll see the one you're looking for. Alright? Basically install the one you're looking for or the one you want here. And that's it. You'll be good to go. Now once you successfully install that one, go to your settings. And under here, you should see profile added on this option. Just follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be good to go. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.